Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Do you want to surprise your fellow creative friend with the last-minute handmade advent calendar? Then keep on watching, because today we create a super easy and festive 24 days of creativity advent calendar. All we need is a glass jar, some scissors, and the free 24 days of creativity printable printed. I will leave a link to the free printable in the description down below. It includes 24 creative and festive mindfulness prompts for 24 artistic and creative days until Christmas. We will also need some old book pages or Christmas paper. I used a mixture of Christmas wrapping paper, some craft paper and old book pages. Next, we will need some Christmas decor to make the glass jar look extra cute, and as well as some glue. The first step for this DIY tutorial is decorating your jar. I did pick the slim tall glass jar for this time and added a red glittery Christmas bow, as well as some doilies to make it look festive and cute. Here you can completely let your creativity and your holiday spirit run free with whatever Christmas decor you have at hand or whatever vibes you know your friend or yourself will enjoy. What kind of advent calendar are you using this year? Are you excited to get started on the 1st of December? If you want to get some daily creative ideas and inspiration for these days until Christmas, subscribe for my 24 days of creativity starting on December 1st. Now get yourself the printout of the 24 mindful creative tasks for this holiday season and cut it into the daily prompts. Here you can see that my first version of this printable came with numbers for the 24 days. I did later change it as an afterthought, because when you pull one of our little dailies out of the jar, it will be random anyways, so there is no need for the daily numbers. I did glue the little task papers onto some Christmas paper or old book pages to make it look a little bit cuter, but this step is completely optional. You could also skip it and go right to rolling up your little papers and dumping them into the jar. I just thought it would be kind of cute to have a mixture of wrapping paper, craft paper and old book pages shown through the glass, so that's why I doubled it with the decorative papers. After this, your super cute creativity advent calendar is ready to be gifted, or you could also use it for yourself to stay creative and mindful this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.